ki khubor ka batisi TV lawan ra ashapi dak orange Nissan looms hop ho near fire brigade Shillong ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kandailat Shillong ka 3 Olives restaurant bala Plie nakbantaban shakriya phi hapo ka jingada jong ka bio bubble antivirus coating ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom ka jakai le kai bapaw ha Shillong bala yada na ka bio bubble antivirus coating bala le da ka Meva Enterprise.
Menteri Rangba jong jelau Conrad ke Sangma haka arfu atarik jong benai kelalengkot arjar arfuai ula Plie pajba ya ke Jingkieng Khilon ya ke balasna itnat bha hawa ro bat ke balong ru ke wei nagi jaka jengok kai perthai ke badon hasnong sobar East Khasi Hills District bat ke balakring bha ya ki pajba nong shong jong jela bat ya ki brio ki banabar jong jela hak jing Plie ya kani Jingkieng Khilon la senran langru ya menteri Rangba da sembut menteri Rangba jong jela uba Preston Tensong ulampang jong ka ying darbar thawan ke jela uba medba lengdo u chief executive member jong ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council uba Titus W Khan u MLA ka Shela constituency uba Balajit Senrem bat kiwe Kajing don jong kani Jingkieng balasna itanat bha bat bala penwandor kum ka Khilon kala kelalong ka wei na kijaka jengok kai ka ba khring tam ha ka jela borok wei nalor bakani ka wa ka deiru ka bala khring ba om tang ye kinong wan bam khana nrei wat ye kinong wan jingi na keleng kijaka ya kani ka jaka jengok kai perthai lapniai da ka elaka sobar bat ka elaka nongjri ha ka ba kila thawru da ka joint committee khnang bakin la ban penjanai ya ka jing shakri ya kani ka kam ka ba ye dei bat kinong wan jengok kai shakani ka jaka ka ba itnat hari lom khasi
Teng ilo digili teng ilo dah kerja apa larang ulap ti kham mundur bahawa stemar jahat perah kang dap kan diga jingki kan diga jing bentoy ikini gisno but ya kathan ga jong burok wi kajing an kan ni kapenisuk kaloi kawan kapenisuk iki bro mengakendu iwe mana ka juga poro kawan rak ya ka jigmentoy wabon kamnu ngile man loy ahmad ya kan ya ihabiele banyanda ya ko kawa kala jong ka ber hang ne amde ba awan unong jong kai ya sha ya brat jabo hane antai kam gisno yama ya pedlam bakandon ka jing ya trailang sarkar but kum kinong song ya pet manum nan kano ka penjak lia ya kan ka wa ka baitana ka beranang ni ya kan ka Jingkieng ka long kum ubundum jong ka jingajang jong ka jingade hableng jong ni artli ki ilaga te kum la kren lem don kren ahmad ngas ngoba arkitek hi beliau ijinga gini brohoj mla ban len ide lead doktor dan kuparoy i baju imsni berobor hak jinglong nang mikmat ke jong i ban khmi ban pej da kumnu ban wan ra ya garoi kapa hamtam hapo konstitusi hawede higlenti sengkin ban ka priority jong i berobor ke julong ba ban kentiu ya ki paj ba jong nong kendom da ka ba penesno ya ki lang ba glenti sengkin ka balong kamu bagbon lani ubudlum jong kayo ka kod ida imsni si syah ke ne ka jinglong ka jong i dem nang ta jusim ni ka priority ru ya ka education kum ka way na ki mat ki bakong san hakal kom trekam ku jong i kum nong mi
the tourist spot or the tourist attraction which will invite many visitors from around the state the country, and I'm sure from abroad as well. Make use of this bridge, especially for the people of this area. When we were walking across this bridge to the other side of it, I could see a beautiful, clear, green, blue water, which we'll hardly see nowadays in any water bodies.
Ya jan bat ke ilaka nong jeri. Ya jan ke nong jeri bat ke sopar ilaka. Tenrei ban ya ai kublei temla. Isu ya bye bye. Ong paring flying kiss. Nasi lengwa asyik lengwa. Tega ong pergi ke pos new Dr. Don. Mentah pilak banyak kedup sebab tambah kedun ke social distance. Apa kini ki arteli ki ilaka. Tega ka bangambut bon ong kolong kani. Kani kadai ke property jongpi. Ublei lo tahu kerpang ye kena kejaka. Kabagi ong gataria. Nganget scam. Kani kejaka jong ki arteli ki ilaka kan pelong ke pliang ja. Kaba pin kamai ja man kesngi. Lengba kejing don jong kena kejingki. Kaba ar. Sengau baha boro arteli ki ilaka. Kisodar boro anmut ki donang ni. Wat ia dait wat ia syurut. Amarah kasih jongi bursin. Keu uwei tan petulun uwei. Kata kadi kejing long jongi. Dengan kuah aban ong wat ia dait wat ia syurut. Ia trelang, ia imlang, ban ia keulang. Kata kadi kebedon kame nak kebeta jongi. Kipat ba nong syong snong. Ngin pendep baru hang doang dia Jingkieng. Ngalai instruction ya ki officers baru ki engineers baru bakin make sure bah hapo jong newsnem kani ka surok kan long ka surok kababit kababiang ngin pendep hapo newsnem kabaa ngako ban tu ye pi ban connect shu na kini ki arteli ki ilaka ngila ai sanction sakoi ke project ka bengi ong ka border road dauki lengkat haduk tharia pra phau pra klur hau ni benai banwan ngen ai work order kaban connect ia ketuki missing link gabengi ong hapok tisang but ladingi dep saya kata kani ke surok jongi kani ka border road pikwa banwan sedauki sengau bahawan na purus laya na lengkat ngaruh ngakwa banwan saya kani ka bentangan ya na kani ke surok bangit siyo i karoi kapar jong hipat ba jong kathan border area jong iprokowi.
Satisfied he was to see this project completed. I can tell you, as was mentioned by our speaker, if he was here today, and I really hoped that he would have been, he would have been the most proud and the most happiest person here today. We must dedicate this bridge to the people of this area and to Dr. Don Kuporoy. Because of his vision and because of his hard work, because of his commitment, a project of this size was brought here to this constituency, and we know that this project will benefit the people of this area very, very greatly in many, many different ways. And we have seen many examples of that throughout the world. When the infrastructure, especially roads, improve, every other economic activity picks up. Every kind of social service or different kind of benefits that have been given to the people of the state or the country, we are able to get it across to the people.
Therefore, for the MDA government, road connectivity has been a very important aspect of our policy, our governance, and our development plan. And this is reflected in the way we work. It's not only speeches and talks. In the last 3 years, you will have seen the highest amount of budgetary provision and the highest amount of expenditure being made on road connectivity in the state of Meghalaya. Be it national highways, be it PMGSY, be it RIDF, or even if you were to look at the state development schemes, you will see that the highest priority in terms of infrastructure has been accorded to road connectivity. And we are seeing the results of that, and the people are getting the benefit of that. Even as we speak today, there are more than 500 roads under PMGSY that are being implemented. Many national highways which were just left unattended for many years have finally been taken up under this government. Many important state roads that have been left for more than 30 years and 50 years, some places, have finally been taken up by this government. If you were to look at Garo Hills, the oldest road in Garo Hills, which we used to call the Hill Road, that was a road that our forefathers used to travel before we got our statehood. Most probably the only important road in Garo Hills at that point in time, which is the Rongram, Dadeng, Pulbari Road. Never been repaired for the past 40-50 years. No sanction, just minor repairs were done, but no major sanction was given to make that road proper again. But once again, our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister took up the challenge, and today we have sanctioned 145 crores for that road to be made brand new, and very soon, I think the work order also will be allotted within a week's time or 10 days time, and we will see that this very important hill road for connectivity for almost 5 constituencies run through that road. 4 constituencies, I'm sorry. This area and this road will finally be taken up. Roads that have been left unattended, projects which were taken up but not monitored, are finally being taken up, and we are doing it because we believe that through infrastructural development and through road development, economic prosperity will come for the people. Even as we speak, our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister has created an online system where he, sitting in his office, can monitor every single progress of every single road, the work going on in the state, and real-time basis. The name of the contractor, how much percentage of the work has been completed, how much payment has been made, what is the due date of completion, even the name of the engineer who's supposed to be responsible to monitor that project, their names and their contact numbers are there, so that, if required, the Deputy Chief Minister can call that particular contractor and the engineer. This is the kind of level of monitoring that is going on in our government, not just in PWD, but in every single department. We are monitoring every PMAY house that is being made. Every Jal Jeevan program that's taking place in every village is being monitored. NREGS work that is going on today in every village, in every VEC, is being monitored real time. This is a kind of work and progress that is taking place when it comes to infrastructure development. And this is the commitment that we have shown as a government. And today the completion of this bridge is another milestone and another example of the kind of commitment that this government has. And I realize, after coming here today, the potential of tourism that is there is immense. I can tell you that we are taking tourism to a new level in the state in the days and weeks and months to come. The kind of investment that will be made in tourism has never been made before and is unimaginable. We have recently received an externally aided project from the new development bank worth 730 crores for the development of infrastructure in tourism. Let me assure the people of this area and of this constituency that we will take up projects to develop tourism in this area so that future more livelihood and different other avenues can come out for the people of this area. So tourism will definitely be in the projects that we're taking up. It was there as a part of the memorandum, and I'm happy to tell you that and to assure you that we will take up tourism development in a big way in this area, which will ultimately benefit the people of this constituency.
Kini Jingkieng kedai ka populasi nok ya ke ilakan jadi buat ke ilakan sabar. Ti jumpi kini Jingkieng kalong jimotoi ya ke baik ke bias syong ha kini ka thang. Nampak ke jumpi kini Jingkieng ki turis ki warna sabar, ti juan yang turis ngi kombinasi nong ila bandi laki jong ki lokal produk. Ti kini kariap sibun ya ki banas nong jungi bani kamai laki jong jakpok. Ti kini Jingkieng kedai ke belaslim ko bangi laki mil tina du snem ki belalej. Pan pino ini Jingkieng dari tip laki daw bom laki ya kini Jingkieng kelas susah nak kuntu. Terima kasih Jingklo jong honorable Chief Minister jungi Conrad Sangma jindon bentaj lalak ban pino igni Jingkieng kamut tang ke ilakan jadi sabar kamut yak barohi ko bangingin hab hiban yo kata ke cimutoi kini Jingkieng ka konek nadu nang ni Jingkieng direct ni lak banlej sa nodri ni lak banlej sa pun sla kena flang lak banlej Shillong tak ju por nang ni semi kelej sa sabar sa sora sa Shillong Jingkieng kini approximately kalong ko 10 crore project la trade ke PNR Group and Company kini company sna Jingkieng ka bahe tam hapo India ke badai ke bana Punjab ya kini la sedang sna nadu snem arjar khat riu badai ha arjar khat suaban mi arjar kendai lalak ban pendek no Jingkieng